Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw baby Garfield. So let's get started. To draw this super cute kitten, let's first start by drawing Garfield's little nose. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. And then we're going to connect it with a wide V towards the center. There. And then let's go straight down the line. And then we're going to loop it around and come back right to about here. So same thing on the other side. There. So we've drawn our two little loops in our nose. Then from there we're going to go straight up, find your center, and we're going to go up nice and high for these big eyes. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. It's just easier for my hand to draw down, so I'm going to go from the top to bottom. And draw this line. And then from there, now that I have this straight line up, I'm going to go ahead and curve out to create the eyes. So I'm going to aim to come back to about right here. So we're going to go around. It's going to get a little bit wider as we come down. And we're going to curve all the way back to about there. There. So same thing on the other side. So just about the same height as the other side. And we're going to aim to come back to here once again. So let's go ahead, slant down, and about right here, we'll start to bring it in. There. Okay. Maybe a little bit wider on this side, but it's okay. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the inside. So we're going to draw a big circle inside towards the center edge. So I'm going to say about right here, I'm going to start and just draw this really big circle because we're trying to make this kitten, Garfield baby here, extra cute with these big eyes. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back to about right here. And I'm going to draw another circle right about here for a highlight. And then I'm going to come in and draw a circle. So I'm just going to follow my outside to create this circle. Here, and then I'll shade this part all in. There, and then this part right here is going to be Garfield's eyes, the color of his eyes. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, just like the other side, we're going to go up nice and big. And connect. And then once again, same thing. Put a highlight right about here. And another circle. There, so we have the eyes in, and then I'm just going to come to the top right here on this curve right here and just thicken it up a little bit, just so that we anchor the eyes a little bit more. Just this top curve right here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we need to start to frame the face. So I'll find my center again, and I'm going to go up, say about right here, and I'll give myself a point. Then from there, I'm going to use that as my guide to come about right here and just draw a soft curve over right in the center. So this is kind of like how wide we want the head to be all around. So then from there, I'm going to go ahead and pop in these cute little kitten ears, round off the tip and bring it down. So as I bring it down, just kind of imagine this is coming through. So I'm going to stop about right here. And same thing over here. So about the same, the other side, and around our two little ears in. And then let's go ahead and then we can come down. We're gonna go all around the eyes. And same thing here. And so we're gonna bring it down. Go around the eyes. And I'll say, I'm going to find my center and say about right here. I'll give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to draw this big curve to connect everything at the bottom. So it's going to be a little bit flatter towards the bottom. And connect. There, finally got this big head in, right? Then from there, let's come back into this space right here for the inside of the ear. And I'm just going to draw a curve following the outside. And then I'm going to come in here and zigzag for the inside of the ear and then shade this part in. So same thing on this side. Zigzag and shade it in. There. And then let's see here. We can come over here and draw the whiskers. So I'm going to curve out. I almost forgot. 2 and another one, 3. And we're going to thicken the ends. And one more. There. So same thing on the other side. Right here. And one more. And then for the stripes, you can come right by here. We're going to draw 3 of them. So you can go like this or like what I did with the Garfield, but I think with a baby, pretty cute if we just, let's see here, I'm going to try and do it more like a stripe. So one right here, maybe like another one, just sticking it up. There, something like that. And then another one here. And one more at the bottom. There. I think that's a little bit cuter, right? For baby Garfield. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'll hurry up and do that. And same thing on this side, about right here. And one more. About right here. There. Okay, so we're finally done. Now let's draw the cute little body. So I'm going to come about, let's see here, nice and chubby too. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw a little curve in here. And then let's come about, let's find our center. So about right here, we're going to come down and then I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, and I'm going to start to draw the paw, the front leg. So we're going to pop it out and pop it out, and then about right here. So the front, and then we're going to pop it out with a curve and then connect. And come right here and draw 2 curves. So same thing on this side, about right here. Pop it out with a curve and connect. And once again, 2 curves. And then whatever space you have in between, about right here, just connect it. To make this a little bit smaller. I noticed it was kind of too big compared to that one. Okay, so then from there, in this space right here, we're going to draw the back foot. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve that comes into this space. Oops. And just tuck it in. So it's kind of like this circular shape, and then about right here, draw another curve, and then we're going to draw 3 of these ovals for the pad of the foot. There, and then let's come in here and connect it, and so same thing on this side. You just make sure about right here. And once again, bring it in. It's a nice big curve. And once again, we're going to draw bottom right here and the 3 ovals there. So hopefully that's nice and simple, much simpler for you to help you draw this. And let's see, I think that is pretty much it for my drawing here of baby Garfield. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. Let's come back up right here. I knew I was forgetting something. And just draw a little tuft of fur at the top. And you know what? Let's add a little heart right here. I'm just gonna sneak one in here for baby Garfield to make this my Draw So Cute baby Garfield once again. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you draw this fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.